Guys, you can see practically these are beam which is completed. Okay, now they will put these beams inside this formwork. So look at here how they placed it to the downside of this formwork, okay, or shuttering. Look at here. So this is the way. Look at here how they set the beams. This is the practical video. Maybe you are watching first time on YouTube channel. Look, very good. Now they are removing this wood, okay, from there. Look, wow. Look at here now. Look at here. The beam is inside the shuttering now. This was before same like that. Now you will see this one. How they are placing it. Look at here. Wow. Look at that one. Now you can see the beam is inside the shuttering, which size is 12 by 18 inches. Width is 12 inches, depth is 18 inches. Look at here. Wow. These beams are in progress. Now they are keeping it to the downside or inside the shuttering. This is a short video but very important for you people to know how to put these beams inside the shuttering. Now this is inside the shuttering. This will be also, because they are removing here, we have some steel rods. They bind it. Let me show you. You can see they are removing these wires, these binding wires. Look at here. This steel rod they will remove from here, this one. Okay, all this beam is hold on this one. Okay, when they remove this one, okay, everything will be perfect. Then the beam will be inside this. So let me show you. Look at here how they are removing this button. Look at here, they are removing the button. Now see this. Look.